Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are in exercise 12.3, in the last video we had completed till question number 6. Today we are going to start with question number 7. There also it is being given, simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. So in that, the first one is given, that is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में पहले हमने सिंप्लीफाई किया था, the same way we have to do here also. Bring the like terms together. So 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. Now 3x minus x is 2x, plus minus is minus, so 9 minus 5 is 4, as 9 is greater, so plus 4. Now we'll do what? Putting x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. So therefore 2, here x is only there, no a and b is there, so not needed to write this. So 2 into x is what? 3 plus 4. So 2 3s are is 6 plus 4, the answer comes, that is 10. It is what we will get the answer by doing simplification and then putting the values of x. Second one, if we see, it is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Bring the like terms together. So 2 plus 4 minus 8x plus 4x. So 4 plus 2 is 6, plus minus is minus, so 8 minus 4 is 4, but minus 4x. Now putting x is equal to 3. So 6 minus 4 into 3, so it will be 6 minus 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, as 12 is greater, that's why minus 6. Now third one, it is what? 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. So 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1, like terms को साथ में लेके आ गए. Plus minus is minus 8 minus 3 is 5a, but 8 is greater, so minus 5a plus 5 plus 1 is 6. Now putting a is equal to -1, so it will be minus 5 into -1 plus 6. So minus minus is plus and 5 ones are is 5, and 5 plus 6, it comes to 11. That's the answer. Fourth one, it's 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. So bring the like terms together first. 10 minus 4 minus 3b minus 5b. 10 minus 4 is 6, minus minus is plus, so 5 plus 3, it will be 8b. Now we'll put the value. Putting b is equal to what? -2 we have to take. So 6 minus 8 into -2, so 6 minus 8 to 0 is 16, but it will be -16. Now minus minus is plus, so 6 plus 16 is 22 will be the answer of this question. Now in this only last one is remaining, where a and b both is being given, but you have to solve that sum by yourself. Let us see how much you can do it. Now let us move to question number 8. In question number 8, it is given if z is equal to 10. If z is equal to 10, we have to find the value of z cube minus 3z minus 10. This is the expression which is being given, and we have to put the value of z 10. So first we will solve it like we had done in question number 6 and 7. So z cube as it is minus 3 into z, because जो भी bracket में है that will be multiplied by 3. So 3 into z is 3z, minus is plus, and 3 tens are is 30. Now we cannot do anything, so we'll put the value of z is equal to 10. So z cube will become 10 cube minus 3 into z, it will become as 3 into 10 plus 30. Now 10 cube means 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 it comes to 1000. 10 को 3 से नहीं, 10 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, minus 3 tens are is 30 plus 30. So now plus 30 minus 30 will be what? 0. So our answer will be 1000. Understood now how it came as 0? Plus 30 minus 30, plus minus same number, it will convert into 0, because plus minus is minus and 30 minus 30 is 0. So remaining number is 1000, and 1000 becomes the value of first expression. Now same way second expression is being given. If p is equal to minus 10, then we have to find the value for the expression p square minus 2p minus 100. Now p square, it will be minus 10 square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Now again 10 square means 10 tens are is 100, and minus it will become as plus. Here minus is plus, 2 tens are is 20 minus 100. Now both are positive, so 100 plus 20 is 120 minus 100, so the answer will come, that is 20. That is for your question number 8. Now if we see question number 9, in question number 9, student, it is being given that what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5 when x is equal to 0, means x value is already being given as 0 and the expression is being given, that is 2x square plus x माइनस a, और फिर बोला है कि उसकी वैल्यू आती है क्या, इज इक्वल टू 5. It is being already given in the question that 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, where x is equal to 0, that is being given, and we have to find out the value of this a की value हमें find out करनी है. So what we will do, we will put the value of x in this and we will solve it. So 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Now it will become 0 minus a is equal to 5, and we have to find out the value of a. Now we are having what, माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 5. हमारे पास माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 5 है, बट वी वांट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. सो दिस माइनस साइन विल गो टू दिस साइड, और यू कैन टेक चेंज द साइड को चेंज कर दो. तो ये नेगेटिव है, इस साइड चला जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. ये 5 पॉजिटिव से क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव. सो देयरफॉर ए विल बी इक्वल टू -5. अंडरस्टूड द एक्सप्रेशन एंड उसकी वैल्यू क्या आ रही है वो भी ऑलरेडी दे दिए दैट 2x² + x - a इज इक्वल टू 5 x की भी वैल्यू दे दी है दैट इज 0 बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a की वैल्यू कितनी होगी so as we had put the value of 0 everything will become 0 here it's what is remaining is - a is equal to 5 but we want the value of only a not -a so that's why just we'll change the side so positive 5 will become -5 and negative a will become as positive a so the answer for a means the value for a we will get that is -5 that was your question number 9 now question number 10 it is being given simplify the expression and find the value so this again I am leaving on you I am not doing it because you can do it simple it is being given that simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to -3 तो पहले क्या है सिंप्लीफाई करना है like we had done in question number 6 and 7 after simplification just put the values of a and b and solve the expression and get the answer so this one you have to do it by yourself and the remaining sum of I think so question number 7 fifth one is remaining 8th I had done 9th also I had done and 10 means two sums only we have to do it in homework so by this we complete our exercise 12.3 now only the last exercise is being remaining of this chapter that will be in the next video so till then thank you and